Welcome to the Trading with Venus podcast, where we help you establish strong trading habits, generate consistent profits, and create the lifestyle you desire for yourself and your family. Now your host, Raman Gill.
Welcome to another episode of the Trading with Venus podcast. This is your host, Raman. So what I do is I use a lot of science and like Brainhack to improve our performance. So what I find here is doing something every single day is what we want. So I think I mentioned before, I've been going to the gym. So my goal is to go every single day. And the idea is it doesn't matter if I do 2 reps of something, it's just showing up. That's the most important part, right? Because what happens is when you show up, most days you will do something more than the 2 reps. So there will be once in a while, there'll be days when you just literally open your trade journal and just write 2 sentences in there and that's it. That's fine, but don't make that a daily practice. Make it a daily practice to show up and actually do the work. And every once in a while, if it's just not happening, just literally open it, say, can't do it today, and close it out. So the brain hack there is that when you do this, the repetition, it literally wires it into your brain. So it creates what's called neural pathways in your brain. And the neural pathways are like, when let's say you are on a dirt track, if you just drive on the same path same point every single day, you will see these paths like tracks created in that dirt path. So that's what we're trying to do. And that becomes the easiest way to go about it. So that's what we're trying to do, create tracks in our minds, which are the neural pathways. So we are able to do this without having to think about it. So another way of looking at it is this, right? So let's say you move. You lived in this house for 2 years, let's say, and you decide to move to a new place. And you will find that sometimes on your way back from work, you end up at your old house, or you are like 3/4 of the way to your old house before you remember, oh, we have moved and you need to go into a different place. So that's the reason, that's because of neural pathways. What you do on a regular basis becomes a habit, not just for your body, but also for your brain. So your brain goes on autopilot. And we are trying to make certain things like this autopilot. Hope you enjoyed this show. For show notes for this episode, please visit tradingwithvenus.com episodes page. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.
If you want consistency in your trading, we invite you to join our daily market analysis calls, where we provide the levels to find the best entries and targets on an intraday basis. For a 1-week free trial, please visit www.tradingwithvenus.com. Thanks for joining us today. With much gratitude, your show host, Raman Gill.